to watch another amazing video that I have for you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as the little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, let's talk about first, before we get into this wig, I'm gonna be doing my very first wig giveaway with this very wig. So definitely follow me on Instagram, as I will have all the instructions on how to win this wig right here. So let's get started, and also I'll be doing a lot more wig giveaways, so definitely stay tuned. This wig right here is from a company on Amazon called Fennell right here. It's the first wig that I have from this brand. It's a platinum with this delicious dark rootage that is beautifully smudged. I mean, can we just talk? Can we talk about this root right here? I mean, this literally almost looks exactly like my hair, but just more gorgeous. So, like I said, so this is 22 inches. So this is a really nice, longer wig, and it does have very, very long layers. Very long layers. And it's very straight, but it's not like pin straight. It has a little bit of volume to it, which is really nice. And then with this wig is actually also a 13x6 wig cap. I mean, check that out. I mean, that's like pretty great. It just takes those delicious 13x4s to another level. So this also has 4 combs. It has 2 combs right here on the side, 1 comb here in the middle, and then 1 comb right here with the fasteners. This has a medium wig cap as well. So this is large head friendly if you require that as well. Besides it being a really great 13x6, this also has a 6-inch parting right here. I mean, that is, wow, pretty great. Let's just take a look at that. It's a really great natural looking wig, and I just can't get over how pretty this is. All right, so let's put this wig on. So I have a very fresh wig cap, nothing like a fresh wig cap. I got a 10-pack of these nude wig caps from Amazon for $5.99. I'll leave the link down below for them. I'm gonna back it up just a tad as I put my wigs on front to back, and she's a long one. Okay. You know what is so great about these 13x6, so the 13x4s are always very light on your head, and this is also very light feeling, which is really nice. I do have a really great wig brush that I got from Amazon. I did do a brush review, if you'd like to check that out to get your most perfect wig brush. So let's just brush this out just a tad. I do feel like she has normal shedding, nothing aggressive. She also is heat safe up to 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius. So you can modify her all you want. So all I did with this wig was just cut the lace off. I've done nothing else. So if you do want to customize this wig, go for it even more, even though this hairline is pretty great. Okay, so let me just stand up so you can take a look at what she looks like right down in center. Okay, so like I said, she's 22 inches, which is true, because 24 normally is right here for me. I'm 5'7", so that's pretty great. I mean, just check out this root. Can we talk about this dream rootage? I just love it. One of my favorite ways to change the parting on a wig is just shifting the wig cap. So I am gonna shift the wig cap to my usual eyebrow, which is my favorite one, which is the left one. So I'm just gonna shift this on over and see what kind of look she gives. Ooh, pretty. And one reason why I like shifting the wig cap is I generally like my fronts to lay flat. There are a couple wigs that I love that it kind of pops up, and I am kind of getting more into that, but at the moment, I'm more of a flatter parting right here. So I do like this. What do you guys think about this? Okay, so let's part it on this side. Shift this girl on over. Actually, this is like a heavier part. Why not? Why not? Ooh, the misfit eyebrow. This could be a good look for anyone, right? Oh, wow. I like it. I do like it on this side with this kind of heavy way that it is. This is from Fennell. Do check it out on Amazon. And of course, check out my Instagram. Maybe you can win this wig. So let me know what you all think about it. Let's have fun. Because remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you want to be a platinum, amazing, rootatage babe, be her. And maybe win her. So I want to thank you all. And of course, we will see you soon. Bye.